The state rested its case this morning in the murder trial of Salomon Campos Jr. Campos is accused of kidnapping and murdering his uncle Ernesto El Gallito Gonzalez, a well-known Harlingen attorney. Our Janelle Tanguma has been following this trial closely right from the start and has the details on this morning's testimony from inside the courtroom.
We've heard from witnesses called by the state for 3 weeks now, including Gonzalez's family members, police officers, experts, and the 3 witnesses who testified today. Several witnesses in this trial went through multiple days of testifying. Gonzalez's sister and the defendant's mother, Alice Campos, was the first to give the jury an inside look at the conflict within the Gonzalez family. Gonzalez went missing in June of 2017, shortly after filing protective orders for himself and Alice against several family members. One of the family members named in the protective order was Mary Ann Villafana, El Gallito's other sister. Villafana testified last week and has been considered a main person of interest in the case by both the state and defense. Investigators Scott Vega and Manuel Tovad with Harlingen PD also spent several days on the witness stand, being questioned by the defense for the missing evidence in the investigation. Several interview recordings were deleted in what has been described as an override or crash at the Harlingen Police Department. They've also been accused of not properly investigating the other suspects at the time. Tovad spent the last 3 days on the witness stand and was the last to testify this morning before the state rested their case. Throughout this trial, no witnesses have been able to say with certainty that Campos committed the murder, but the prosecutors built their case around the evidence of El Gallito's remains being found on Campos's property, him admitting to following El Gallito, and GPS location data that places their phones at the same place the day El Gallito went missing. Because the state rested earlier than anticipated this morning, the jury was dismissed and the defense won't start calling witnesses until Monday morning. Closing arguments are expected to be heard early next week. For NBC 23, I'm Janelle Tanguma.